Hi everyone, so my name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can add a search bar to your Wix website in 2020, alright? So to do this, make sure that you're logged into your Wix account. After that, we're gonna go to My Website, click on that. And just choose the website that you want to have your search bar on. So then click on Select and Edit Site. Now go to this one, Site Actions, and click on this one, Edit Site. Alright, so now go to this plus sign, click on Add, go down to this one, Menu, click on that, and under Search we see this one, Site Search, click on that, and go down to this one, Site Search, Wix Site Search, give visitors an easy way to search your site. Okay, so just click on this plus sign, Add to Site, adding Wix Site Search. Okay, so now we got this search bar, and we also got this new page, search result. So this search bar we can move around to add it where we want to have it. So I want to have it right here to the right of my menu. So first I'm gonna click on the menu. I'm gonna go to this one, Layouts, and I'm gonna add a menu to the left, like so. Click on X, and now we can add a search bar to the right of the menu, like so. Okay, so first we're gonna customize the search bar. So just click on the search bar, and now we can click on Settings, and we got placeholder text. You can change this text if you like. So you can add your own text if you want to change it. So if I change this one, you can see that it changes right here in the search bar. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. Okay, we also got this quick search. So we got this show search result directly when visitors type in the search bar. All right, that means when they search something, they will get some results right here under this search bar. Instead of enter a search term, hit enter, and they will get the results right here. All right, so I will enable this one. After that, when I'm done, just click on X. Now we got this layouts. You can choose a layout, this one or this one. So I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, we can choose text alignment, left or center. I'm gonna choose left. We got text spacing. As you can see, it's margin left. We have icon spacing, like so. After that, when you're satisfied, just click on X, and we got design. We can choose different designs. If you hover over these designs, you see the results right away. Okay, so let's say I want to have this one. Just click on the design, like so. You can also customize design if you like. I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna click on X, and we got this one, animation. You can have different animations on this search bar. As you can see, we got bounce in, glide in, fade in, and so on. So you can just play around. In my case, I'm just gonna choose none. You can also customize if you like. Then you need to choose animation, and after that you can customize. Okay, so I'm gonna choose none. After that, I'm gonna click on X. Okay, so that's it for the search bar customization. Then we got this search result page. If you go up right here in the left corner, you see page search results. Right? If I click on this arrow, and you see the search result right here in the drop down menu. So just click on that if you don't see it right here on the page. Okay, so to edit this search result, we can first click on this one, text. So you can change this title if you like. Just click on edit text and you can change it. You got this text settings. You got different themes, fonts, font size, and all of these normal customization options. Okay. After that, we got this search result page. We can click on this search field, and now we got these options. We can stretch the page. So just click on this stretch icon. Then you got this stretch to full width. As you can see, we got now a stretch for the whole page, and we can also add margins from right to left. As you can see, we got some margins to the left and right. Okay, so I'm gonna choose a non-stretch option. After that, I'm gonna click on X, and we got this settings. Okay, so now we can customize results, and we get this settings option. We can show search bar. So this one, if I uncheck, this will disappear. So I'm gonna check this one if the user wants to search another term. We got this placeholder text. So this one, search ... search ... So we can change this to whatever you like. Okay. After that, we got this result found. You got number of results per page. That means if you want to change the results per page, right now we have 10, and we can change it to maybe 19, and you will have 19 results per page. Okay, so I'm gonna choose 10. It's a good results number. Okay, we also got this results found. Message will include number of results or search term. At least one item should be checked. Okay, so I'm gonna check both. After that, we're gonna go to display. Now we got this one, all services and pages. All services and pages. What we can do is we can hide if you like, or customize. So we got this label text. So if you check this one, we can change this text, all. Change label text. So just change it to whatever you like. Okay, so to make these labels appear right here, you need to publish right here to the top right corner before the changes will appear. All right. After that, we're gonna go to layout. Now we got this, how is the result menu aligned? We see this one. We see it's aligned to the left. If I choose center, we will have this aligned to the center, and we can choose right. I'm gonna choose to the left. Then we have this one. How is the pagination bar aligned? That is this one. So we got this aligned center. We can choose left and right, like so. So I'm gonna choose center. Okay, after that, we're gonna go to design. We can design the search bar if you like. So you can change background, opacity, and color. So if I change this to blue, we have a blue color, and we can make it more transparent, like so. So you can just play around with this customization. You can add border width. You can add border opacity and color, text font and color, icon opacity and color. So this icon, like so. We can go back, And you can do the same thing with result menu. You can customize it, text, font and color, border opacity and color, and select border color. Okay. So if I change this to orange, we got this orange color right here. We can go back and we got search results. Same thing right here, we can change title, font and color for heading 5. So as you can see, this heading, Greek Paradise, will change. Okay, you got description, font and color, result, message, font and color, pagination, select text color, background color, highlight, font color, and so on. So just play around if you want to customize these search bar, result menu, and search results. Okay, so that's it. So when you are satisfied, you just go to the top right corner, click on Publish. You can click on View Site. Okay, so now we have the search bar right here. We can search for maybe about us, and we get this quick search right here. We can click on one of these, and this will take us to the page. Or we can just click on Show All to come to the search result page. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add a search bar in your Wix website in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one and want more of these videos, you can subscribe right here in the corner. You can also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.